Are you searching for carefree condo living that's also in the Homestead School District? Then you've met your match. This updated 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home on a finished basement provides you with convenient amenities and a variety of ways to fill the space. Enter through the privately gated courtyard and you're greeted by an open floor plan that showcases vinyl flooring and neutral design choices. The kitchen is furnished with stunning quartz countertops, newer cabinetry, and matching stainless steel appliances, giving the space style as well as functionality. The kitchen flows into the breakfast nook where you can enjoy sipping your coffee, which flows into the living room. The soaring ceilings, coupled with large windows, open the space, and the warm glow of the fireplace creates an inviting atmosphere. The main floor bedroom has its own bath and is currently being used as an office. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms are complete with their own en-suites. The master features a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a tiled shower tub combo. The finished basement offers additional living areas perfect for entertaining. This convenient location, close to food, shopping, and hospitals, coupled with a beautiful home and the amazing amenities provided by Covington Creek Condos, will not disappoint. Call Evan Reiki to learn more.